Hello everyone, welcome to Tuli Creation. Today I make a butterfly invitation card for Teachers Day. At first you have to draw butterfly shape in a rough page. Then it is cut down by a scissor. Now I take a color page that is in red color and make the same butterfly structure. You can also use any other color that's like pink, yellow or anything for this craft work. Again I cut the butterfly structure. Now I take a white page and do the same work. Now I am draw some inner part of the butterfly and cut it. Then I secure two butterflies by glue. Now we take both side tape to make a 3D structure of the butterfly. Now I am moving forward to the next part. I take oil pastel color and art paper. I choose for this drawing that is sky color, yellow color and white color. Now I smooth this color with the help of fingertips. I cut this shape and paste in another art paper. You can also use the masking tape for this structure. I take pink acrylic color and also earbud to draw the flowers. I take white acrylic color to draw inner part of the flower. In this way we can highlight the middle portion of the flower. Now I take green acrylic color to draw the leaves with the help of fingertips. Again I take white acrylic color to draw the clouds with the help of fingertips. Now I use blue acrylic color for the clouds. For this drawing I use my drawing copy. That's why I cut the page. Now I take a scale and measure 6 cm and cut the paper. I cut the another part of the page in same size. Now these two sheet of paper attached by glue and roll the paper and secure to corner. After that, these round shaped paper are attached in the butterfly structure. Now the butterfly is ready. You can write here the information about invitation and roll the paper. This roll paper is put in the back side of the butterfly. Now the invitation card is ready. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.